It's a desperate time for a growing number of Lebanese. Those willing and able to help are stepping in by providing food to the poor. A nationwide stay-at-home order to contain the coronavirus is putting further hardship on an already struggling population.
We have so many calls you wouldn't imagine. People starving. We were serving only food, but people asking for medication, people asking for milk for their children, diapers and stuff. I wish that we can get all that done for them, but we are so limited with the donors.
Raising money is hard in a country where, according to the World Bank, 45% of the population live below the poverty line. The pandemic could not have come at a worse time for this nation of 6 million. Lebanon is bankrupt. Opponents of those in power blame them for decades of mismanagement.
The response to the government proves how corrupt the politicians are. They aren't able to help the poor. We feel we need to play a role even with the limited capabilities.
The government is promising to do all it can, but Prime Minister Hassan Diab has acknowledged the state is struggling to deal with the fallout from the pandemic.
In the ministry, we are helping in the MPTP project about 15,000 households, giving them e-card food voucher. But as you know, we have huge challenges in Lebanon. We have many economic problems, financial problems.
Many warn businesses may permanently close. Tens of thousands have already lost their jobs in recent months.
The government says it prioritized people's health over the economy when it ordered the lockdown. It wants to prevent another crisis. Officials are trying to slow down the infection rate so as not to overwhelm underfunded hospitals.
So far, coronavirus cases have not been increasing at an alarming rate, but keeping people at home is not easy, especially in poor regions like Tripoli. This is Lebanon's second largest city, but more than half of its nearly 800,000 people have been living in poverty for years.
We are opening our shops because we survive on daily wages, but people are only buying their basic needs. We ask the rich to stand by the poor.
As the crisis continues, needs are growing while more people sink into poverty. Zana Khuder, Al Jazeera, Beirut.